Sir Alexander Mackenzie Canoe race in 1970. It's something that'll be in my heart for the rest of my life, because I'm so proud of them.
There's only just the two of us left. Philip Blake was there at the front. Behind him was Woody Elias. Next was Joe Witterqua, and then Fred Witterqua, and John Itzy was in front of me.
I heard on the radio that there was going to be a canoe race down in Mackenzie. They call it Sir Alexander Mackenzie Canoe Racing.
Philip was the captain, and he sent a message on radio, whoever wanted to get in a canoe race, and it just happened that there were only 6 of us,
Philip borrowed a canoe, a 6-man canoe, and we practiced with that.
He told me to be the stern man, which I was willing. And the stern man, you have to keep your canoe straight. No zigzag like that. So
these were men, at least for us, that we knew came off the land.
And to come off the land and go in a race like this, they weren't professional paddlers, but they did a lot of paddling.
Part of our livelihood is we paddle to net, and we paddle and we hunt muskrats and hunt ducks, so all this paddling,
And to get in this race and compete against the NWT, the best of the NWT. On top of that, too, Alberta and the Yukon.
And then there was a Clavik, Fort Good Hope, Yellowknife, had 2 teams, I believe. Altogether it was 10 teams. I felt pretty confident that we were going to do good.
I think we just lost only 1 race.
We started off, I remember we were on the 9th canoe leaving. When we got to the end of the island, like a buoy way out across the river, we were the first canoe. Queen Elizabeth was there, her husband was the Duke of Edinburgh, was there, and there was thousands of people there at Providence. Most of them came to see the Queen. I don't know if they had a chance to watch canoe race, but I never felt so good in all my life.
We knew through CBC radio at the time that our team was doing very well.
When they were coming across from Inuvik, I made sure I went down to the river to see them come in. And there was lots of people there, and lots of Fort McPherson people there.
We didn't know who was leading. We just knew they were coming.
And all of a sudden we seen them coming through the willow sedges. There they are, there they are!
Of course, as it got closer and closer, you could see that the team from Fort McPherson was in the lead.
And they made a big turn, and then they landed. The whole McPherson was screaming. Their captain, Philip Blake, got out first, and all of them came out and they're shaking hands with our Chief Johnny Kay and the councillors.
Since we get back, we're shaking hands all the time.
Being inducted into the Sports Hall of Fame is something that will be there all the time for people to know what these 6 individuals done.
I'm excited. And I felt really sad for my other partners that they're not here, team members. And I cried.
It's sad for me, because they're not here to get that honor too. But I'm happy for these 2 that are left here. I'm proud of them.